Hey everybody, welcome back to Jasmine's Kitchen. So today we are going to make my style of chicken and dumplings. And I actually make it like a soup. And these are some of the ingredients that we will be needing today. So I have chicken broth. You can use this. You can use chicken stock. I've done this recipe so many times. You can use whatever. If you make your own chicken stock, I have some of that in the fridge that I'm probably going to use. Or you can use Better Than bouillon paste. I love this stuff. It's kind of pricey, but I think it's definitely worth it because you're literally, with this, paying for water. You know what I mean? This just has it as a paste and you add water to it. So that's going to be the base. For vegetables, I like to add whatever I have on hand. I'm going to add some carrots. I also always add one, either white onion or yellow onion. I always add a can of corn, drained, just because I like corn in my soup. Garlic is going to be sauteed with the onion in the beginning, along with flour is in this recipe, butter. Also, you can use a rotisserie chicken and take the meat off of that, or you can, right now, what I'm doing while I'm filming this is prepping my chicken already on a skillet, and then I'll take it off and I'll dice it whenever it's done, and I'll wait until the time it's supposed to go into the soup. For these biscuits, if you're feeling lazy, you don't have to make your own dumplings, which I am feeling really lazy right now and fatigued, so I picked these up at the grocery store. All you do is you take it out, you take a little piece, you roll it into a ball, and then you plop it in there whenever it's time to put the dumplings in. I like getting the Pillsbury, like the butter. It just does well with it. I believe you're also gonna need milk, and yeah. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start prepping this vegetables, and I'm gonna cut this onion. Don't make fun of my cutting skills. I never went to culinary school, okay? I'm just a normal gal. This is how I cook food. Alright? And the onion smells like onions do. Terrible. When onions cook, they smell amazing. When you cut them, they smell like literal death up your nose. Also, I'm wearing a Halloween shirt. Don't say anything, okay? Little Miss, she loves Halloween and wants it to be Halloween, but never does anything on Halloween. But this year, since we have our own apartment, me and my husband, I think what we're gonna do is have a Halloween party. Because I've always wanted to have it, even if it's literally just me and him. Like, I've always wanted that, to decorate the whole house and watch all these movies, pass out cute looking candy, do cute little flippin' cookies, like Halloween themed. Bro, I'm already excited just thinking about it. I'm gonna cut these up pretty thick just because I'm not the type of girl to like my carrots mushy in soup. So, ooh. All right, I'm gonna finish doing this and I'll get back to you in the next little slide.
Okay, so I grabbed 6 tablespoons of butter and I'm melting it with the carrots and the onions, and then I'm dicing up my prep chicken that I'm also doing on the side in this clip. So you're gonna let that melt, saute, and then you're going to add garlic to that, to your onions and your carrots and your butter mixture. Alrighty, so after you have let that sauteed for a little bit, you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of flour to your butter, onion, and carrot and garlic mixture. Next, you're gonna add in 1.5 cups of milk, and you're gonna add in 4 cups of chicken broth. You can do it chicken stock, chicken broth. I did better than bouillon paste, so that's why I'm adding 4 teaspoons of better than bouillon paste. And then you're just gonna stir that and then let that go to a boil. Next, what you're gonna do is add in your canned corn. This is optional, but you're gonna add in your chicken, which again, it could be a rotisserie chicken that was already shredded and done. And then I add salt and pepper to mine. You can also add a little bit more garlic powder if you like garlic powder. While that is coming to a boil, you're gonna go on the other side of the kitchen and start making your lazy dumplings. So I take my pillsbury dough out of the container, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a plate and then just cut them into 4s and then cut those again. And then you're just gonna repeat this process until you feel like you have enough dumplings. I did it until I only had 3 biscuits left, and I actually threw those in the oven. Once that has come to a boil, you're going to take each individual dumpling and put it into the soup. You're going to weigh them down, and then you're going to put the burner on low, and you're going to let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then your soup is done, ready to eat. This is what it looks like. I also made a biscuit. I made like 3 biscuits, and I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes. If it tastes good or bad. I love corn. It tastes really good. I would probably add more salt and pepper, but that's just me. Here's a dumpling. It tastes really good. Ah. Well, that is my video on lazy chicken and dumplings. I'll leave the recipe below that I usually follow, but I just didn't make my own dumplings. You can always make your own. I just felt really lazy today, and yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Maybe it'll be food related, maybe it won't. I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out right now. But thank you for watching. Bye.